Homotopy Type Theory, HoTT, is a field of mathematics that combines principles from type theory and algebraic topology. It provides a foundation for formalizing mathematics in a way that emphasizes the inherent homotopical aspects of mathematical structures. In traditional mathematics, sets and functions are used as the primary building blocks. In HoTT, types and higher dimensional structures take center stage. Types can be seen as spaces, and elements of types can be viewed as points within those spaces. The concept of equality is replaced by the notion of paths or homotopies between points, capturing the idea of continuous deformations.